on today's video starts from here. On today's video, it starts from here. So I want to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good afternoon, good evening, and it depends on the place you're watching me from. So this day today is another special video over here, shooting it all the way from Bamburi, Kenya, Mombasa to be specific. That's the second capital city after Nairobi, Kenya. It's an island, by the way. It's a city that is on an island, but due to the connection and due to the digital connectivity of island to mainland, it becomes like a mainland. But according to the geographical researchers, they always say it's an island. And of course, when we are here, you can see or you can check mostly of the plants that are here really favors the island growth of these types of plants. We always have mangrove trees over here. We have these Italian shooting. We have palm trees. We have sugar cane, but that they are salty. So if you want to know places kinda an island like this, you tend to see more of these palm trees, more of the coconut trees. You know, it's kinda very dry, hot. So there's sometimes of the changes, things that change on this other end. But let's put that aside. What's the matter of today? Today is another beautiful day. There's this thing that is making noise. Let me power it off so that we can continue, because nowadays I've been hearing my videos have a lot of wind. So today I think or I thought that it's better for me to use wind cancellation. So I have to put on wind cancellation so that it can reduce what we call like the wind. But anyway, I don't know if it will be more windy or as the usual videos, or it should be more better. But anyway, on the right side, how are you doing? Are you okay? Are you doing great? So this day today we wanna be showing you how we are putting on the curtains. Yesterday we were washing the curtains, or we put them the new curtains on the house, and also the new house chores that will be around here. And let me know in the comment section, do you do your house chores? Because some of you will be asking, CJ, come on man, be a man, huh? Your sister is there, your sister-in-law is there, your wife is there. Why are you doing this all house chores and they're here? It's that we are here, guys. We have to help. You know how, like, when I was away, they have been doing all these house chores around here, and sometimes they usually help all time. With me, sometimes I'm asleep like this, putting on this way, and they just do the house chores. So today I'll be helping them. I'll be part of helping. Not really putting them, but I'll be part of helping them. And let me know in the comment section. You know, those days back, this used to be the best swagger. Putting on the cape like this was very analog to those analog days. So putting this way, it was very, when you buy a cape, we used to have this kind of 50 cents cape. So you have to put it in this way. So that way you'll be seen like you're a bontao, but you are in the village. So you put your cape this way. But if you want to become more advanced, to become like 50 cent, 2-pack, you put your cape this way. This way. So if you put your cape this way, those days in 80s, when I was born in 80s, growing up in 90s, you used to see putting on cape like that. It developed, it came this side. So when you put it this side, you will oversize, oversize the shorts like this. So you sag it with the very heavy what you call like those days we used to have no durag those days. So we used to have a timberland up to this side with big socks up to this side. So you walk with your oversized shirt again. Anyway, it used to be those happy great days. Let me know in the comment section, do you think so? With me today, I just decided to remember those days back of the 50 cents, those days back of the 2-packs. So let me just put it that way, you know. Anyway, let me also know which was the best style ever of putting up the cape. And all these kind of capes, we used to have those flat capes. So if you put it like this, you become like it becomes like an airport landing place where a plane can come and land on it. Anyway, let us not talk much. Let's go to my wife and see what she's doing today and what she's expecting to eat. So already we have them here. I told you all these are the hip of curtains. So yesterday we were fixing the curtain areas or the curtain rod areas. Oh man, let me put off this one so that it cannot disturb me. So we were fixing this, in which also I'll show you what we are doing. Okay. Hey, it cannot cut my head like so I'll be speaking without a head. So anyway, we were just fixing the rooms. The other time you were seeing them, they were off. Also this side, so we have also to wipe. You see the fundi was leaving his mark, the fingerprints there, so also have to clean them. And then we want to see what's happening. Anyway,
wipe the fan as well.
That's all you know.
I think if you open the door it will be brighter. What do you think?
She always wants to shine. Hey, but you look beautiful. Hi.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Good?
I'm good.
You great?
Very great.
How are you doing?
I feel like talking porridge.
Porridge. Only porridge. Which
A
porridge?
lot of things.
Which porridge?
A lot of things.
Which porridge?
Millet, finger millet porridge.
I thought it's uji power.
Uji power, you can't get uji power here.
You can get.
I don't know. I see ladies working with uji power, uji with the thermos around here, but I'm
Have
not sure whether it's uji power.
So you want to dare me to take you to uji power place?
Why is that?
Do you want say yes or no?
I'm afraid of going
Not afraid, just near here.
near here.
Yes.
Maybe.
We can't even cross to that main road.
Okay.
But anyway, introduce yourself.
I mean, how are we guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel, CJ. Claude.
Guys, have you ever seen somebody forgetting his the husband's name? This is so crazy. I'm so sorry. Bye.
Yeah. So,
Bye.
I want to tell them what we are doing today as much as you said it. So, I want to clean the curtains that were cleaned yesterday. And so, today, this man here said is the one who wants to run the house. He said he wants to clean all the dirt, all the dust on the walls. And the fan, of course, the fan as it circulates, it brings in more dust.
He's
So, he
just
wants
saying
to clean, but first, he has to make us breakfast. And then, clean. And
Clean.
then put the curtains back.
Okay.
So we folded them yesterday because we want them to have creases, because nobody has the energy to iron all that.
There are a lot.
They are a
Also,
lot and they are heavy.
you can consume a lot of electricity
Yeah,
ironing them.
so we decided to fold them yesterday so that they can not have a lot of creases. But so far, things are going on well. After putting the curtains, what will be remaining?
How is the baby? I'll be massaging the baby.
Today, when are you doing a massage? But he needs to massage me, guys. What do you think?
baby?
Guys, he needs to do a massage on me. Because which
If I
husband?
say something,
No, you just reminded me. See, you have
Why?
my brain. You know how I have brain dead, so when you say something, you
it
remind
seems
me.
like I have her brain.
Yeah, you have my brain. You took part of
So
it.
for now you don't have brain.
No, I'm not functioning. I'm using part of your brain. It's like
No
my,
brain.
part of my brain was scooped.
Is it
Yeah.
best in here? Colgate should start, or T-brush should start advertising with you if it's Colgate inside here.
And also, you need to undo my hair.
This one.
Mm.
But why did you do the smaller one? These are
So
so.
they've lasted at least.
No, this one are so disturbing when you just.
No, it's okay. I can always go to the salon and they remove them
I'll
for
take
me.
you to the salon. This would be a lot.
Yeah, so, but I needed you to do that for me.
Okay.
But now that you can't, I
These are
understand.
small. There are thousands of these. Look, thousands of these. So if you do, and they're so small, tiny. Imagine.
Tiny.
Look.
It's okay.
So for you to remove this, maybe I'll move where I can, and then the rest you can go to the salon.
I know you can't finish them. I know the amount of hair I have.
Do you want me to prove it now?
No,
That I can finish
No,
them?
today I don't want you to prove, because now this guy always wants to prove things. If you tell him he can't, he will work
Yeah.
and prove.
There's
prove
no
you
any
wrong.
impossibilities. We always
So
have
I don't want
see
him to go
possibilities.
through that. It's a lot of work, and you are the only helper that can do this. So I'll go to the salon and not make you do a lot of work. 'Cause
Yes,
you've
you've
been
been
doing a
seeing
lot
me
already.
removing her these ones mostly. But anyway, it's okay,
Yeah.
and it's nice. So
So why are you hitting my head?
I'm
like
not
that?
hit. Jesus Christ. She doesn't
pulling
know.
her leg.
She doesn't know love. When I just do this, she thinks that I'm beating her.
Oh no.
I'm hitting you.
You're hitting my head.
You.
No. Okay.
I was told, there's one thing is I was told with the doctor not to make her so much happy. So sometimes I annoy her. So like now I have to annoy her. How are you?
There's something he does that really annoys me. It's only that I can't say it on camera.
Say.
I can't say it on camera, guys.
Say.
Huh?
Don't be happy. Just don't be happy.
Okay. I can't say it on camera, guys.
The doctor told me, make sure she's not as happy every day, too excited. So how will I make her not to be too excited? Anyway, some doctors. God is seeing. Okay, let me just go in the kitchen and see what's happening. Sis, are you okay?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Good morning. Guten Morgen. Is it Guten Morgen? You know me, I'm slowly learning the German. You like Danken gut. Guten Morgen. How do we say what's your name? In
Not German.
you always seem to bro it.
In German, V has and Z.
V
Like V has and Z.
V has and Z.
Yeah, if it's a lady like my sister, V has to do. V has, like you're talking to her, you ask her, V has to do, and then she'll respond. Ich heiße Sheila.
Sheila.
She heiße.
Guys, if you know German, please, if you know German language, you know that's why I told you my wife can lie to me. Sometimes, not all times, but let me know. Even men know how to speak Nepali.
It's okay, but I don't know how to speak Nepali. I'm just only.
So I can lie to you Nepali. So tell me, it's Duncan?
Huh? What Duncan?
The name.
Which name?
Yes, I told you she forgets everything in just 1 minute. Even now, just ask her, what's your name? She has already forgotten it. Don't come for me, guys. This is not a car. Oh my god. This is my motorbike keys. Don't come for me like, CJ, why did you buy a car? Maybe God willing soon we buy a car. But these one are the motorbike keys. My motorbike keys. Yeah. Our machine motorbike keys. So anyway, we want to do something here. Sister-in-law was cleaning, so it's time for porridge. Do people need a lot of porridge?
So it's who wants porridge mostly. See, I don't know, but I think you take porridge today.
Okay. Let me just ask them what would they love to have, so that we can be. So CJ in the kitchen. Today you'll be seeing me in the kitchen, and of course I'm having my kitchen cape, so that we can see what's happening. And also, I know you'll be learning how to prepare porridge, I know you'll be learning how to prepare porridge. For those who don't know how to prepare porridge, you got me, or you got me? Should I use this or this?
No, the small one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. Because here it's my wife's house, so you have to ask. You put water, small water, not a lot, but it depends with how
The number of people.
So like her, she says she will drink porridge. So the rest, will you also take porridge?
Maybe.
They'll take tea. If they take tea, they can cook tea. I'll cook tea for them then. So, those days back, I used to see these things and I was like, yay. But now, we have it here. So it's on already. So you put water, you wait water to boil a little bit. Maybe like 80 degrees Celsius, not 100%, 80 degrees Celsius. Then you take another water, you add, because we have porridge flour. This one, it's called porridge flour or porridge flour. It depends on your English teacher who taught you that. So yeah, and then we see what's happening on this side. So this is a finger millet flour. We travel with them from the village to this side. It's like you can take food from Kenya to the US or food from Kenya to the UK, or you like the other guy who traveled with the chapati, 500 chapati from Kenya to the US to go and sell them in the US. Anyway, good. Let's see. So the water boils this way. So when the water boils that way, I want to show you what to do next. So what to do next is to take your water that way. Take your small take your small whatever cooking stick, whatever you use to boil. Take a little of this, put it in the water. Again a little of this, put it in the water. That way. Then make sure you corrugate, you stir it. When you are stirring it, make sure it doesn't have any remains of bolus things. So that's just cooking porridge. Simple way of cooking porridge. This is the simplest way, and the most advanced one is the one you'll put blue band, you'll ferment it, put lemon, put I don't know what, a lot of ingredients. You know, even porridge is being roasted. Come to my village and you'll see that mostly when people want to visit their relatives, maybe if, like me for example, I want to go to Minhawi's place, I have to carry that porridge. You know, it's a must. So you keep on stirring it. You stir. You keep on stirring this porridge. Just like that. As it keeps on boiling, you'll see it also being thick. So you keep on stirring until it's you want heavy or light?
Heavy. I don't like light porridge.
So you want heavy.
Yeah.
So she said she wants heavy. So if she wants heavy, then I have to add.
No, it's not. You were making that light.
Yeah.
No, I'm not a light person. When you take light, it's like busara.
Okay, let me add then. So this time round, I have to use spoon because she said she doesn't want light. She wants heavy, light. So if she wants light, if she was needing light porridge, I could have done it so well. But now she needs heavy. So if you want heavy, there are two types. There are those people who love their porridge to be light, and there are those who love it to be heavy. The way Minhai love it, her porridge to be heavy. So if you want it to be heavy, you add more flour. So like this already, it's very heavy. You see, very heavy. So like that, you return your stuffs. Sorry guys, I was almost pouring the porridge flour, so I don't know how I could be using it. So you see like this, it's already heavy. Very heavy. Because with her, can I add milk?
No.
You don't want, you want it just that way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So with her, she wants it that way. So the simplest way to make porridge. Alright guys, let's try and see what next. Let me know in the comment section, do you know how to prepare uji? This is called uji in Swahili. Uji in English, porridge. So it depends with which kind of porridge. Can we have corn flour porridge, finger millet porridge, cassava flour porridge, yam porridge, so many porridge. So like this, you just leave it now. You want sugar or with non-sugar? Little sugar. So she wants little sugar. You start getting used to that voice of nah.
I'm psychologically preparing.
Thanks. This kind of spoons are enough for the sugar. 2 spoons and a half are better. Oh. Jehovah, you make sure you stir it completely so that it can evenly spread or evenly you know. So just like that, and then you leave it to boil completely. And then it will be one of the nicest. Lemon.
It is fermented already.
Okay. So just like that, we are done. See you. Now our porridge is ready. As you see, it's boiling, and my sisters wants tea, so with them they love tea. My wife wants porridge, so I'll literally do what you call, like, now the porridge is very okay now. So now it's time for me to put it in the jar. Then we see. What is that? You are?
My back.
Has done what?
I was trying to get up.
Okay.
And then
What happened?
my back did crack.
Do you know cracking? Or you hear cracking?
Either.
You know cracking? Or you hear crack? If you any crack, hey. So just simple like that. And then our porridge is just ready. Which process is this? Your honor, honorable, your ladyship, your porridge,
Oh my god, it's hot.
your porridginino
Thank you.
is here. Enjoy.
Thank you so much.
With viazi? You want with potatoes?
We don't have potatoes, do
You
we?
want sweet potatoes? You know, porridge, in my belief, is like porridge. When we used to see Mama preparing porridge in the village, you know very well that you are going to eat sweet potatoes or cassavas. But here in the town, where will we get them? So let's see. Okay. Camera. So we are here, and these are the curtain rods. Actually, when we came to this house, we found that this house you come in and you have some curtain rods already fixed. So the good thing is, I want to just wipe this, and we see how everything is. Help me hold this. You're enjoying your porridge, right? So let me show you. This one is very clean. This one is very clean, but the moment I wipe it, you'll see it.
There are two. See?
Very dirty. This is the extension. So you have to clean them slowly by slowly. Why? So this one can be from side to side. That's the best way of this. You see?
Depends with the window. The window also how big
big
it
the
is.
window is.
Yeah, so you can adjust it.
It's adjustable.
Yeah.
Very big. Yes. So just like that. And then that's time.
Careful, it doesn't nini you, doesn't tear you.
to,
your hand.
So let me just try check and see where will it fix up over there. So
Yeah.
the best thing is, let me fix these ones now. So this one we have to fix it again.
Why?
So fixing it, you don't
Open.
have the screwdriver.
Right.
So I have to make sure it's up to the last point. Then you fasten this. Then you fasten. But still it's not fastening.
It's not?
It's not fastening the way I want. Slowly by
This
slowly.
man here, guys, have
Since-
broken my knives.
Which knives?
Even in the village.
Guys, I'm becoming an engineer. She
Even
doesn't know.
even in the village.
She
he has
doesn't know
broken-
that a man should be an engineer in a house. So like me, I'm an engineer here. Toy engineer. You know, so she's saying that I'm breaking her wives.
My
her knives.
hey, this wives thing. All my nails look like this. Show them, baby.
They don't have sharp
They
end.
don't have sharp ends.
Because I usually use them. Because maybe
He has refused to buy screwdrivers.
I'll just go buy them.
You need to go buy all of them, all sizes.
Yeah. Because I'm becoming an engineer. Every day work get me here. So we are all fasting.
Yeah.
How am I becoming stupid?
What?
I just fixed this without putting the curtain.
No, but then now you see they can come out.
No, this one.
No, it comes out.
Which one?
Let me show you. The posts come out. They come out. They separate.
No, you know, I don't want them to separate. This one. I don't want this one to separate. You see?
Why? It's like so that you can just put here and there.
I never wanted them to separate. Because it will be so high. How will you put them up when they're up?
I'll show you.
When they're up?
Yes. Not when they're up. You just put and then it's not hard. I know. See, I've done it. I'm the one.
I'm just asking when they're up. So like for example.
I get what you're saying, but I'll tell you. I'll show you how to do it without struggling.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one are we putting?
No, we're not done. We're wiping there.
I'm just asking. Just a question. I'm just posing a question. Which one are you starting with? So this one should be wet so that I can wipe it off.
Yes.
Okay, I have to use the toilet water. Say something.
Mm-hmm. He's saying Bamburi. What is Bamburi? I'm enjoying my porridge, but it's hot, guys. I have to chill until it cools. It's colder. It's very hot.
Yeah, no. So I'll just use this chair.
Okay.
So guys, let me show you what I'm doing. Because my wife here, she's concentrating on the porridge.
Yeah, when you put them so that they can take it.
So like this part, we have to just wipe it. Just like that. And then you wipe using this one. You don't use a lot of force, because if you use a lot of force, you take off the paint. So it's better you wipe slowly. When you reach a point like this, when you see the dust, you just wipe. You wipe. If I fall down, hey, one soldier down, one soldier down.
Don't fall down.
If I fall down, hey, just like that. Also take this, you wipe. You can scrub until you finish the paint. I love this kind of window, but anyway, they're not sliding, but they're very nice. Okay. Done? Done and dusted.
Yeah.
All right. Then you show me now what you wanted.
So it's the white cut. It's the whitish ones.
This one?
Yeah. So this one comes first, and then the sheer, and then because the way these windows were put, they weren't made in such a way that you can put a sheer inside and then the curtains outside.
So you put this way,
Yeah.
this way.
And this one, it must have come off. Where did she take it?
Huh?
The end. Yeah.
Push it.
It's
It fall down. I saw it here yesterday.
okay.
So it's this way. You want us to fix it? No.
It can't be fixed.
It can't. With
can't.
me. You wait.
Mr. Fixer.
Me, there's nothing that can't be fixed.
Okay.
I saw the other end somewhere yesterday. I don't know where my light
I
is.
saw something like that, but I didn't know it was this. Oh, it's only one.
Relax.
Okay, boss.
I'll show you something. But I'm not quite sure how it was. So I also have to see.
Oh, they tuck it, they press it in. Eh, what a husband's for. Thank you.
Done and dusted.
That it looks better now.
Also wanted to start screaming here, I know.
Yeah, I know. When I find something of mine is
So-
not the way I left it.
It's this for a better way to put the curtains.
Mm-hmm.
You fold it this way. This way.
Mhm.
This way.
That way.
This way. This way. This way.
Guys, these curtains are heavy.
This way. Come on, man. This way.
Yeah.
This way. This way. No, this way. So
Good
that
thing-
they can create.
Good thing, the how do you call it? The gathers. Good thing is that it's not a lot of windows. Can you imagine if this was like the house we'll build? I don't know how I think that one will get like the turned curtains or
Yeah.
some to fix it them for
Yeah,
us.
so
'cause
you
I-
see something like that, guys,
Mm.
so that you can create.
The gathers.
Yeah. So
So you pull one out.
then where is the shear?
No, the shear you put later. Just put that first, and then the shear will come after that.
So just that.
Yeah.
And then I want to fix something here.
It
Then-
came out.
Okay. Which one? Which one next?
So the shears will come in the middle,
Okay.
and then the curtains will be at the ends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Has inside and out, but anyway.
Yes, they do.
So you put this
That
way.
was outside.
But this one is going to be outside this way.
This is supposed to be in.
Which one?
It's supposed to be like this.
And then this way.
Mm.
This way.
Yeah.
But you know reason why I was putting it this way. This one are going to be in, so this one should be tucked in that way.
No, it's just the same way the way you put curtains.
But you know why? But you see what I did here with the curtain.
They're supposed to look like that because.
But this one is going to look like this. Do you see where this angle is? It's here. Oh my
Okay,
God.
put it and see.
This way, this way, this way, this way, this way, this way. The shears has more than the this way, this way. Huh?
But what?
This way, and then that this way. See how it's coming? See how it's coming?
Yeah, but then I want to see how you're going to put it. That's the nini.
That is going to come out this way.
It can't be like that.
Relax. I show you how it's going, and then you show me your way. How will it not be?
So that one has been put inside out.
How? How is
This one, look, this thing ni kiraka ya ndani. You see?
this one?
Yeah, hiyo ni kiraka. Ya
That
ndani.
should be in.
This should be in. So the shears should just be plain because from inside they are plain like here, like there. Yes. You see?
Okay. But we can change them again. You can as well. There's no hurry. You can as well do this way. This way.
Yeah.
From this side.
Mm.
That is the same thing. Science and English. This way. You know me, I don't know these things, guys. She's the wife in the house, so I'll do what she wants. Me, I won't even fix them this, so just like that. Only two.
Only two, but Okay.
Or another shear,
Another shear, and then
not
I'll-
another shear, another
no,
another
it-
cutting.
the cutters are only two, and the shears are two.
Yeah.
So shears inside, curtains outside.
Okay.
Yeah,
So another shear.
yeah.
Okay then.
Guys, we've been able to fix them.
Aye.
Yeah? Okay, he has been able to fix them.
All credit to you.
Yeah, so it's no child's play. Uh-oh, it's bending.
No, no.
Those things, it's like they are weaker in a way.
No, that is bending. I'm the one who was trying to put it so that it can go in fast.
Okay.
Yeah. You're not weak for now. So, a minute. I take this off this side, this one, this
This
side.
side.
So, everything this way. Just like that.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yes, sir.
So that they can create
Gathers.
the ambient then. Then
They can create gathers.
is it a house? You know houses have gathers. So this one.
Yeah, we did create. I didn't really make a lot of gathers because I was afraid it's going to be heavy, but still it's heavy even when with the few that we made.
So also this side. So yes, go this side. Fine.
Okay.
Show them my nyash.
I showed them your nyash.
Oh, you're showing them my nyash instead of showing them the curtain.
No, I was showing them the curtain. It was imagining.
So that's like this.
Yeah.
Then congratulate me.
Congratulations, sir.
That way.
Yeah.
Shady abo. Matopale. Matopale.
Matopale.
Matopale. You have a dance called Matopale. in
Matopale.
Kenya. Eh?
It's not moving. It ain't moving.
It's moving.
Okay, guys. So after that
Matopale.
amazing dance, he has to go and fix the other two windows in
Yeah,
the bedroom.
in the bedroom. So let's go
So,
to the bedroom. This
Let,
one.
no, it's
done.
they're using it, so let them finish. Then
Yeah, we go.
we go.
So done.
But it looks nice.
Looks great.
Yeah, and clean
Congratulations, Claude Joseph.
and clean.
Ole. Oh. Yeah, should be that way. And then this way.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Decided to wipe the fan because it has some dust.
It's not a decision.
Sorry.
It's not a decision. It's a volunteership. Guys. Hey, hey. You don't know.
I really. What are you doing? What are you even doing? You're crazy. You're a crazy man in a white hat.
But I'm trying to wipe it. It's so dusty. And this one was wiped just one, even not 1 week ago. 2 days around of them.
No. It's been like
But
2 weeks.
yesterday they were fixing it. These guys, they were
Mhm.
fixing. They wiped it.
They wiped it.
Yes. Not even 2 days ago.
I think it needs to rain because it has not rained in a while. Eh?
Yeah. You see my work is doing. You see? Hey. Hey, it's catching. Lot of dust. Look.
Mhm.
I'm so surprised with this thing. It's really surprising me. Let's do this side. Now this one is the dirtiest. So if this thing is not, they are not in a straight way, they cannot provide air.
Uh-huh.
So just like that, we are done with this. Guys, I put a basin here to just collect that, and she was laughing at me. Look, you see?
I thought you were
I
falling
was joking.
down. No, I thought you were falling
If
down.
I fall down, I go inside here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why I told you your mind for now. You don't have mind. I'm using your mind to think for now. Yeah. So as she said that me, I'm using her mind. So my mind is 4 times hers. Really? Is it even that way? And these things are not okay. So how it has to come down again.
What? What's not okay?
The mapangale. The fan mapanga. The fan mapangale. It has to come down. Yeah. They're not the same way. You know, like this one, they will not provide any air.
It's okay, I think they are okay.
Oh, still there is another uchafu somewhere. Yeah. So let's see, guys, if it's what. Hooray! It's working right now. Engineer Claude.
But it was working. It's only that you were cleaning it.
It's working already, so.
Let me take my phone.
Okay, you enjoy. Bon appetit.
Yes, overly dramatic.
Pull me up.
I'll pull you up. Yeah, I can't pull you.
How will I go?
Seriously. What are you doing?
I'm telling you, these things are very heavy. Very. I can't even carry them.
Okay. I can't, you know, I can't. I can't pull you. It's a lot of pressure for me. You're full of games.
Where? Yeah. I
Find
can't
it.
see.
By yourself. Yeah. This guy plays too much. You play too much.
Oh my god.
You
These
play
things
too
can-
much.
These things can kill me.
Okay.
Anyway.
Okay, just a minute. That matters, you can't push it. Try and pull it, you see. It's very heavy.
You can sit there now.
Okay. Gracias.
Muchas. Encantado. So, thank God this thing has legs. So the legs
You can easily, it's portable.
you can easily push it anywhere you want. So, I don't know, I'm going up there. I wanna use this thing. I wanna use this.
Okay.
Why can't I do it inside the bedroom? Why? Sorry.
Did you come with the wiping?
Yeah?
The wiper? What to wipe with?
Okay. Let me go.
Okay.
You know now I'm taller than this.
It's dirty. Don't know how to clean it. I think those people.
Just like that. And then wipe it. Just like that. And then
The last part. I think with the last part it was dirty.
you got that right?
You can just one. Just.
So I need to wipe this once again.
They're dirty.
And then this one can make curtains becomes as dirty as you think.
Mm-hmm.
But anyway, you know it's so hot.
You see now the difference? It's rusted on the other side.
Mm.
The other side is clear.
It's clean. So time to fix this
So
one.
I think this time we need to change the style. Just thinking.
Which
Because
style?
normally we put grey, yellow, grey sheer,
Mustard.
mustard. So this time let's put grey one side, then mustard one side for the change.
No, it's
Okay.
better to be grey, sheer, mustard.
That's how it was. But
That's the best way.
no, we are trying to just mark the changes that we're having now, because it has been like that with everyone. So just to put mustard on one side, grey on one side, just for the change. Next time you can return it to where it
Okay,
was.
so like this one. Okay,
If that makes sense.
let me try and see. If it doesn't make sense,
It will make sense.
it will not. If it doesn't make sense,
Because the other one we are used to it so much.
okay,
Yeah.
just like this.
And then put the other mustard, or you put the or you put the cashier, then mustard, something like that. As
How
long
many
as
shears do we have?
enough. Two.
So
Mm.
just like this. These things. Oh God help.
Yes, you can have that on one side and grey on another side. Yeah.
That way.
Mhm.
So it's grey sheer.
And then now it's grey sheer, grey.
Okay.
Mhm. Sheer. Shears are longer because it's even hard to hold them, but they're lighter.
Just a minute and then we see.
the end result.
Pregnancy. So let me just put this back aside. Then we see what's happening. No mood swings. In the new with the mood swings. Sometimes we come help me here. Guys, come guys. So now it's another way task. But the biggest task is, will I manage it? Yes. Okay. Finally. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now, let's try and see how we are fixing this again. It was this way, this way, this way. Okay. This should be there. A little bit just there, there. Like that, like that. Just like that. Then we go to this side. Jesus Christ. Lonely. Then put it here. Just like that. That. Then that, like that. Now here comes another task. Is it good, guys? You know me, I'm just trying. She said like this, but anyway. Anyway, is it okay? Let me show you guys what I've done here. This way. So she said this one to be one side and the other one to be on the other side. But anyway, is it okay to be this way? Eh? Just like that. Slowly, just like that. And then it's time for me to go up for this side. So we just fixing this side over here, and then we're gonna see what's happening. This window, we're only remaining with this window, and we'll be literally maybe concluding this video. But let's try and see. Okay. Yes, I'm becoming a man already. Just to check on this, but this one is clean. No need of taking. So I have to only to clean this one. It looks so dirty. Not only so dirty, but very, very dirty. So I have to only just do the white this side. Where is the other one like this one?
It cannot fit, so it was wrongly put because the other side is small. There's no space for this one, so it's somewhere around the boxes here. So what we do when you putting, remember to put the other side there.
Okay.
This one the other side so that it doesn't look like unproportional or awkward. Yes, that's the one.
Yes, that's how you see. Hey, they were very dirty. Well, they were waiting for Claude. Very dirty. But what do you think about this?
This looks nice.
Gorgeous.
Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. Because the other style was so
Common.
like we had used it for a long time,
It
so
was too much.
it was too much. So we changed it.
So
Hopefully in the future
here again
the same way, because they were just the same. I'd put the same style for both windows, that one and that.
so
It's gray, white, gray,
so gray will
mustard,
start.
white, mustard.
So gray will start because gray will go this side.
Well, I think gray
Then-
should come this side,
What do you think?
because it started there. There's gray, mustard.
So here will be gray.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So that's gray, mustard.
Okay. Let's see. Let's do it, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it.
Mustard, gray. Sorry.
But this one is going there.
No, but then it's going to go to the other side, downer side.
Which side?
That side.
Yeah.
It's going to be the first one on that side. Okay,
It's
like
going to be that there. Anyway. Shady you, ooh, 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 da, 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 da. Shit. Just like that. Hey guys, this is the most hectic work ever. Ever. Hey! You know this one you have to arrange them. Then just like that. Then it's done. And then again the mustard. Now this one is going there. Is it yellow, orange or mustard?
mustard.
Is it mustard?
Yeah, it's mustard.
Okay. Then grey.
Then
Thank God I'm almost finishing this, guys. Well, almost done. Just like that. Cheer from there. Just that way. Hey, what do you think about my speed, guys? Minhal, what do you think about my speed?
slow.
I'll leave.
Ah.
And then we see who will help you up. I'll leave. I knew you're going against me. Okay.
Again, still how now? Are we in competition?
Okay. Okay.
Oh,
Hungry?
no,
The baby is hungry.
the baby is wondering
Soon.
what we are doing.
Soon I'll be opening a brookside here.
You'll be opening what?
I'll be opening a brookside, a dairy farm.
Which
in my house.
Which one? Who is the
Dairy
cow?
farm,
Who is the
dairy
cow?
farm.
Which is the cow? Do you have
I'll be
cows?
opening a dairy farm. Yeah, in my house very soon.
No, where is the cow?
Ah,
Where is the cow?
Behind the camera.
Ah!
More.
Guys,
Say more.
meh.
Meh is a goat. Soon, guys.
What if I'm a goat?
Soon, guys.
In my next life, I'll choose to be a goat.
Soon I'll be opening a dairy farm. Very soon. Very soon. Just a couple of weeks. Then a dairy farm here.
Hey, you continue.
Just that way. The other side. Oh my god. Just like that. And then
That way. That.
careful.
Yeah.
That. Again. This one now should be in.
Yes. That's perfect.
Let me show them the view from this side.
Nice.
Hey guys, the view from this side, you look at that greenery. Very green, but when you open the window. And one thing I love about, look, there's a chicken farm there. During the day, it's a chicken farm. At night, it's a goat farm. So that's one thing that I always don't understand these people over here. Oh, during the day they sell the goats,
Yes.
and at night
So when they remain, they don't maybe sell all of them. They bring them back.
So
it's
it-
like just a store.
it acts like a store.
Yeah.
There's that place you see there where you see like a Kenya police, a German flag right there. So there are a lot of goats being there at night, but during the day it's just chicken. And as you see on this end, the view from down, so nice and great, all the way through the other side. And also one thing I love about these windows, they are soundproof.
Very.
Very soundproof. So you hear, like now you can hear a church.
I think we need to get these ones for our house.
Yeah, these are
But this kind of fixing.
yeah, actually this kind of fixing, let me show you how they fix these ones. So you see, like here it has a rubber. Also at the place where you're crossing it, you also have a rubber. You see, so these rubbers, they act like you cannot hear what's going on outside. So let me close you here. Okay, you hear that voice, but when you close it, you cannot hear anything, and they are all over. I think you need to help me this other wipe so that I can wipe this window too. Yeah, the windows this side, I think they are so that. Yeah, this side. Where? I'm telling you guys, hey, this side, I think they have some little dust, so I have to wipe them all the way through. They are soundproof, very soundproof. So you cannot just hear anything that is going on outside, or anybody who's maybe inside here. Maybe if you have a loud person here inside the room, you cannot hear outside somebody who is outside, because it's soundproof. And all of these windows are just like that. So also this side.
But that lady will come and see.
No, let me just do it before she comes.
I'm just saying,
Just to say, right?
come and clean the bed and
But one thing you have to learn is, right? Don't sometimes do it. If she comes, she come and do it perfectly now. Because if you wait for her, hey, she has a lot of work to do. You see how many houses are?
it's a job. She has to.
Yeah, but you see, she has a lot of works to do. There's a lot of apartments here.
And she has a lot of workers.
Mm.
So
Yeah.
it's a company. It's like 1%.
Oh, you talk about DWD?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought maybe the other lady who washes for us. If it's DWD, it's a company, then they have a lot of workers. Anyway, our work today is just fixing the curtains, and then we see how everything is. Trying to clean it so that the shears cannot get dust. Slowly, very slowly. Just like that. Okay? And we'll be done. Help me now. Fix this. From this side. Fix it the other side. Have to go down. Mosquitoes are being surprised, like, hey, today we have been
What's going on? Why is it smelling so good?
Today, mosquitoes, you have really challenged those mosquitoes. They are so sharp. They're in a shop. There was another one. Maybe it's in an IC. The mosquito is in an IC. Like, what? Today is a big surprise. They have fenced. They have put a very big fence. The way people get shocked. So anyway, that's the other end. Yeah, like that. Then this side.
Okay, let me sit. Where?
You're tired.
I was standing, yeah.
Sorry. So this, you know, guys, she's my camera woman now. If I'm doing bad from there, you say. Don't just say. You say, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Hey. So on this end. By the way, the house looks dark.
Looks better. I think the change is as good as rest. You feel like when you change something, it looks different and the newer.
The new one.
Yeah.
Okay.
And like when it's the same style. I think, and then you need to put that one back. Then you come and see how it looks nice from this end.
Let me check. You know, sometimes the shears might embarrass you.
No, actually the rods were falling off, guys. We also fixed that yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday they also
Yeah,
they were feeling the way they want.
yeah.
So I'll be enjoying riding this at home.
That's how you'll be riding the baby after she's taking a bath. Yeah, it looks so nice.
Now the house looks dark. But anyway, let me show you the end product.
Come and look at this angle. It looks so nice and yeah. I like when I do I like it when we do a clean job. Like,
So this is how you see it.
looks nice, huh?
It looks great and nice. I think you should hold it from here. I take a thumbnail. So our thumbnail today comes from this side.
I felt like I thought the other sitting room, the thumbnail was looking nice.
Now from here, here, this way.
Why is the light doing that? And you,
It's
when you look at
it's blinking. Then we should say, hey, you have already changed it.
Oh, no,
The
no,
angle.
no,
I
it's-
gave you the angle, guys. That's how you see now sometimes. So this way. You see this angle this way. Don't shake it, okay? Again, you'll shake it. You'll start following me again with the video.
stop.
Finally we fixed our curtains.
Stop.
Guys, that's how we do our thumbnails.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Looks
okay.
nice.
Anyway, I'm roaring. So it's time to spread the bed, and we see how everything will be. But
Yeah.
anyway, let
I
us
think-
know
I
in the
think
comment
it's taking
section.
thumbnail after spreading the bed.
Yeah, and also let me know at the comment section, what do you think about this work? Well done with CJ. You know, I'm only me who did this, not Minhab. This one you have to go to in the gym so that you can carry this.
I will go to the gym and you'll be shocked. I'll be carrying things.
Which gym?
The one in Bamburi Musho.
Hey. They charge a lot.
It's okay. I deserve it after pushing out.
They charge 2,500
After
for
pushing
a month. No
after
way.
pushing out a baby.
I'd rather do some push-ups like 1,
That's
Two,
you. Me, I
three.
can't do that.
4, 5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8,
Your back is
Eight.
cracking.
9.
His
Eh?
back was like
I can do a lot of push-ups. Then I become a waiter. Rather than going paying 2,500 for just if they could have done it even 1,500.
Mhm.
But 2,000. It's a lot. Time to spread the bed. You know? Eh?
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you how
That's
to
that's the upper side.
Let me show you how to spread the bed. Always, if you see this one, know that it's the lower side.
That's the upper side. That's here.
Come on, baby.
So
This one
telling you.
always, even if you know, this one reminds me in the kamisi. You know kamisi?
No,
This
it's a pattern. It's a pattern. See now, this side is inside, so you just put it goes like this.
yes. But why can't it be this way?
Huh?
Why can't it be this way, downwards?
Like the people. No,
Not
it's
people.
it's look
Go.
look at that edge. That's where it's down. Up it's up.
No, let me see. Guys, show
Oh my
guys.
God.
No, just trying to just simple logic knowledge. This one, you see how it is, guys. With me, this is up.
Yeah, this side is up, of course, but this side, even if you put it kama kamisi, still it has its upper side and it has its inner side.
So this is the inner side.
So this okay, but then now
I want to do it this way. Let me show you. Oh, just use my little way, just like this. So it can be this way, and then
because you're tucking it in.
yes, I'm tucking it in. Yes, so that one shows you that it's downwards, and this one, you see, it's inner, upper. You know, in home science we have wrong
Okay.
side and right side. So the wrong side, this one is the wrong side. The inner side is called wrong side.
Of course.
Right side.
But
So-
I'm not talking about the inner or the upper. I'm just
So-
talking about the pattern. That side, even if
Fred, come.
that side is supposed to be up here, Yawa. Not
Fred,
welcome.
come,
This,
Fred.
guys, I'm telling him this part is supposed to be here.
According to you, how would you have spread this bed using this sheet? According to you.
Which side is should be up?
No,
Which side should be
wait
down?
for her.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, wait for her.
This side should be up.
How?
Thank you.
How?
Thank you. Like this.
How?
But then now it's
You
supposed
all
to
are
be.
failures.
No,
Failures.
I'm not failures.
Failures.
it should be like this.
Amuka
Yes.
bado ufanye kazi. Failures.
No. Yeah, this should be up like
Ow.
this. Look at the pattern. They should be up here like this. Oh my God.
Guys,
Like, let me ask you,
Mm.
do you sleep while your head going up or going down?
going up.
Going
Now.
up. Then this part is up.
Then how, according to law,
Like
to
why
the
should
simple
why
knowledge,
should you deco?
according to simple knowledge, suppose this was a kamisi.
I see kamisi. This is a bed
Suppose
sheet.
this was a kamisi. No.
No
suppose-
one knows
suppose-
kamisis.
Guys, the inner we have petticoat.
Petticoats.
Suppose this was a petticoat,
Why should you
right?
think of a bed sheet as a petticoat?
Suppose this was a petticoat. Will
No,
you
it's
put
not.
it?
It's
no.
not a petticoat.
Let me show you a simple knowledge.
No, like
Simple
what is it
knowledge.
covering?
So suppose this was a petticoat, but it was supposed to be this way. This way, guys. Look. Show
No,
them.
it's not a petticoat. It's not being worn. It's
Show
being
this,
spread.
show this, guys. But if a petticoat looks like
Oh my
this.
God. Spread it facing up. Like that's how it's done.
Guys, my God, help me. Look, this is a petticoat. How it's supposed to be. So how will you?
These are bed sheets.
They're
not
not
a
petticoats.
petticoat.
Oh my God.
Why?
Anyway,
Oh, does it look round? But it's not
it doesn't
round.
look
It's
round.
not round. It's a sheet.
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, let me know at the comment section. They always say ladies are right, but today, you are wrong.
We are right.
Why Jesus
Can you
Christ?
imagine it? Why will you?
This one should be down.
This one should be up here in case even if it's people can see. Like your head is here.
I wish, eh? These people could be writing inside up, inside down, something like
Because
that.
they know it's common sense. You don't need to tell
Yeah.
people that.
Should we Google?
Ah, fell stand on the other side.
Do you remember the other day he said that he only uses common sense?
Yes,
But
use
it's
my-
common
but
is not
now,
common.
This is a simple common sense. How will this go down? How will this go down?
That's now down.
Ah, yes.
This can't
like
be down.
this.
That's down, and then this side up. Guys, you can help us on the comment section because you can argue until you get frustrated with these arguments sometimes.
But now, how is this coming? This
So, assuming,
What are you pulling there?
no,
wait.
assuming, just put it like this.
But this one now is going to be in, to be tucked in.
You don't, no, that's our choice to tuck it in, but you don't have to tuck it in. You can just put it like this.
I've been to so many hotels, but I've never seen
I
this
thought
one.
about hotels. We too have
What?
been to several hotels, but
What?
that's how it's done.
This one, if it was supposed, let me tell you one thing. If it was supposed to be now a heavy sheet, it could have been folded halfway, then it could be facing downwards, halfway downwards. But anyway,
Kindly spread it like that.
let me spread it. But I am not. Okay. Pull
Fell,
it up.
fell. Eh, this
Guys.
man, a man.
No, that side is.
Yeah. So wait first before. Don't tuck it in before we.
You're pulling there, and this place is.
No,
remaining
it's
only
okay.
one inch.
Sorry for pulling. Let's just focus. Because we can't. This argument will not end. I'm telling you. We'll argue until next week, and I don't want. We don't have the. And even fella. You see, fella's just left by herself because she knows it's going to be like 2 hours of talking about this.
But guys, let me tell you one thing. Actually, one thing which is best, right? How can you spread? Even we call the Muslims. These things looks like those ones of the Muslims. They tell you, for sure.
You've now brought Muslims into this
No,
conversation.
not in a bad way. Not in a bad way. Just for them to let you know what's happening, for sure. But with me, even my grandma in the village can just tell you.
Okay.
Simple. But
Then
we-
you must have gone to different schools.
yeah.
Yeah.
Me went to just a local district school.
No, it doesn't matter. It's a school. No one went to an international school.
But anyway, what matters is the knowledge in the head and the experience. If you go to a village school, if you go to an international school, district school, what matters?
All our schools.
All are schools, but what matters is what the matter. The matter is the matter. The stomata of the matter. Easy. Have I shown you how much we are spreading this bed, guys? Huh? Yeah. Today I've seen wonders. That this one is wrong side. Huh? But anyway, let me just spread it. We see. And my
Guys, are you lovers of cotton sheets? I prefer having cotton sheets because
my fellow men at the comment section, don't laugh at me.
yeah, I prefer having cotton sheets because when I sleep, especially here when it's hot, like Mombasa is very hot, it's not the same as when you have either satin or half cotton and half something else. So I prefer, like, this one is 100% cotton, and I really like it. This is my favorite sheet of all sheets that I have. I don't have many of them, but this is my favorite sheet. So I don't know, cotton 100%. So anytime if you are in Mombasa and you're selling sheets and you have 100% cotton, mutumba, that is thrifted sheets, please hit me up. I don't have so many, so this will be nice to have. Hey, stop exaggerating. Mr. Let me not give you a nickname.
Mr. Mustafa.
Mr. Petticoat. You are wearing a petticoat.
Okay, petticoat.
Petticoats.
Okay.
Who wears petticoats now?
It was
In a
those days
while.
back in analog days.
Yeah.
And me, I used to see them girls putting. If you don't have a petticoat, you are regarded as a very dirty girl.
Mm-hmm. See-me-through, wearing see-me-throughs.
Yeah.
No,
I see your hand. Put it where it's supposed to
I
be.
was trying to help you pull that.
Relax. Now you can help me now. When you have already embarrassed me that is the other.
I've
part.
not embarrassed you. There's some subscribers of ours say they'll come to visit Kenya. When they do, they want to be in our house even if they're sleeping on the floor.
No, we leave this bed for them.
No, they say that they want to just, like, even if they sleep on the floor, they don't mind. They just want to come. I was like, you guys are welcome.
Me, I'll just spread bed for them.
You spread the bed for them.
Yes.
Me too, I think. Huh?
They should start seeing how I'm perfect.
But to show how your prowess.
Yes.
Yeah, so I think
There's an Indian who taught me how to spread a bed.
Mhm.
India, yeah. So if you try to, no any creases. So can see.
okay,
So see this how
it's clean now.
You close one eye like this,
Uh-huh.
like this. Then you can see where there's a crease. Just like that.
Okay, Mr. Man.
So
Thank you.
is the bed ready or not
Yeah.
ready?
Yeah, let me go from the other side and then we capture the angle.
So
And
you see,
now you can get
no
the
any
story.
crease, no any other crease. You see.
Okay.
So guys, we are done, as you see over here, and the light is just blinking. I don't know why, but kindly let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And the bed is here. You can now sleep. Yeah.
I will sleep just in a few.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how is it?
Well, it's been amazing. A lot of work. Me, I'm tired. Like being a camera woman, this guy can give you a lot of stress. He wants perfection. You to be perfect sometimes. And right now it's not my time to be perfect. But either way, we are working. So it's a work in progress, and we are a team. No matter how angry or happy or sad you are, you have to work together. So we were cleaning today. Can I sit?
Yeah, just sit, just sit. You are allowed to sit.
So we were cleaning today, and not cleaning really, fixing our curtains, and they were washed yesterday, and we wanted to put them back, wipe up there the dust and all that, and clean and fix everything. And I think we've done an amazing job. The room looks clean. I think you've seen it looks clean, but there's still one more thing we need to do. We need to wash the bed.
Dusting it.
It's washed and then dried. There's a way they do it. They have something to do, and they just wash it and then dry it immediately. And also the mattresses, so that when baby comes, even right now the room feels fresh. Can you feel it? Yeah. So we want to do that maybe in this week, because this is like the injury time. It's injury time, you know. So things must work somehow. So that's the process, the plans we have here, me and this Baba somebody.
You know, the perfect man, very stubborn, but very perfect. Sorry. That's how everything is, guys. But anyway,
You are perfect
sometimes
in every way.
Sometimes she disturbs me until I feel like I can knock her head like. But anyway, thank you so much, and be blessed all, guys. Remember, we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and show some love by subscribing. She's on the road to 10,000. Subscribe today.
Am I being seen?
Subscribe today, and I really appreciate your love and support.
Can you see me?
You don't tickling me.
Can you see
Stop.
me? Okay, I have stopped.
You know, this is a permanent one. This is temporary.
Temporary, permanent.
This is temporary one for just only 9 months.
This one is permanent.
Permanent. And it shall be permanent. Permanent. Oh, what the Lord have done for me. It should be permanent. That's what it's saying. Should be permanent. Permanent. What the Lord have done for me. It should be permanent. Everybody sing.
Hey, Pastor.
Permanent. Permanent. Hey.
Guys,
What the
bye.
Lord have done for me.
Yeah, I can make you
It should be permanent. Thank you so much. We love you all, guys, from the bottom of our heart. Subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. Road to 30,000. And thank you so much for 24,000 subscribers. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.